One morning, Gordon was in the yard taking on a large supply of coal.
Okay, that's the third load of coal you've had today, Gordon. Some might say that you're being rather greedy.
Greedy indeed. I'm an important engine. Important engines need plenty of coal, but I doubt that you would understand that, James.
James snorted and went about his work.
I can pull the express too.
Later, Gordon was taking on water from a standpipe because the water tower was under repair.
Oh, I wouldn't drink too much of that water if I were you, Gordon. It might give you boiler ache. Ah, what's this, educating Gordon Day? First James, now you, Duck. Big engines have big needs. Little engines are just annoying.
Oh, don't say I didn't warn you. Later, Gordon steamed into the yard at the big station.
That's what I need.
There, emerging out of the sheds, were two shiny tenders.
Now, if I had two tenders, I wouldn't need to stop so often. And I wouldn't have to listen to silly little engines.
Those tenders belong to a visitor. Diesel sidled up alongside.
Everyone knows that tenders are a mark of distinction, but I'm afraid that no amount of tenders will save you in the end. We diesels are taking over, and we don't need tenders to make us important. Not even one.
Gordon was most upset. He was feeling just the same the next day.
I'm not happy.
I know. It's boiler ache.
It's not boiler ache, it's...
Of course it is. That water's bad. Have a good washout. Then you'll feel a different engine. Your boiler must be full of sludge.
Don't be vulgar.
He backed onto his train, hissing mournfully.
Cheer up, Gordon. I can't, sir. Is it true what Diesel says, sir?
What does he say?
That diesels are taking over. Don't worry, Gordon. That will never happen on my railway. One more thing, sir. Why did the visitor have two tenders?
Because he lives on a railway with long distances between coaling depots. Gordon felt much better. But Henry started complaining. He banged some trucks angrily.
I work hard enough for two. I deserve another tender.
Henry, would you like my tenders?
Yours? What have you got to do with tenders? Alright, the deal's off. Would you like him, Donald?
I wouldn't deprive you of the honour. It is a big honour, but I'm only a tank engine. Perhaps James might.
I'm sorry I was rude. How many tenders have you? And when can I have them?
I have 6, and you can have them this evening.
6 lovely tenders! What a splendid sight I'll be!
Henry was excited all day.
Do you think it'll be alright?
Of course! They're all ready now. The other engines waited, but they can each get a good view. But Henry wasn't a splendid sight at all. His 6 tenders were very old, dirty, and filled with boiler sludge.
Have a good washout, Henry. That's right. You'll feel a different engine now.
Henry wasn't too sure, but he thought the voice belonged to Gordon.
Oh, that's Prince.